So, you've just been pulled over by the popo, and you just smoked a big ass doobie. So you got your sunglasses on to hide those red-rimmed eyes. The popo comes, they say, do you know there's a Wuhan virus going on out there? And they want to see your traveling papers. You go to get your papers, but the popo got an attitude. It looks at you and he says, take those damn sunglasses off. They're bothering me. So, being the good citizen that you are, you take the glasses off. But then you remember you're in a Honda Insight, and you have nowhere to put your damn sunglasses, because Honda, in their infinite wisdom, did not give you a sunglass holder. Well, we've got a solution for that now.
Well. What do we have here? Something a lot of people have been complaining. Car glasses protective case. Well, the Chinese are so funny. They copy everything. I mean, why put the money into it when they can just copy ideas? And they won't even get anyone to spell check anything. Oh, it's so funny. A lot of you, and this has been a very high complaint, that there's no eyeglass holder in the Honda Insight. And this is supposed to take care of it. It's not really made for a Honda Insight, but it's made for Hondas. So we're going to open this protective case up and show you how it works. And then we're going to do an install, a pathetic install. And there is what you have right there. The case itself, typical Honda tan. And with the connectors, this one right here being spring-loaded, and this one being, it's kind of stiff, so it has a slow response. What this is replacing, and of course it comes with this little pad in here, I guess it's good enough for eyeglasses in that case. What we basically have here is something that you replace the sissy handles with, or one of the sissy handles with. I'm going to do it on this car, and we're going to see how it goes. And, basically just the handles that help you get out of the car. You can replace one of those, put this in its place, and you'll have a nice eyeglass holder. Basically, it'll pull down like this. You put your glasses, and it'll slide up nice and slow. It's a clever idea, and it should. I can't see why it wouldn't work on the inside. I can't believe for a second that they have come up with a different sissy handle or a scare handle or whatever the hell you want to call it than any other car. But this is something a lot of you have been asking about, so I'm going to give it a shot, show you what it looks like, and let you know if it's total shit. It looks like it's actually going to work. The instructions are pathetic. Basically pictures all in Chinese showing you basically how to do it, and basically it doesn't say anything as far as I could tell. Do I understand any of it? No. And actually it's easier to look at the instructions with this, but basically it's going to replace the handle, and it should be very interesting to see if I can figure out how to take this thing apart. And that's basically where we're at. It says it's got little openings on this side. Real high quality there. And that stuff pops right off, I believe. Kind of hard to do this with one hand, guys. I mean, this is really not easy. But we'll take a look at it, and we'll see how it works. I've been putting this off for a while. I've had this sitting around for a while, and I've been trying to figure out how to get my ass to do it. Well, I guess today's the day. Okay, guys, I've had a lot of trouble trying to get this filmed, mainly with focus and so forth, so we'll see if it works this time. Also, let me tell you something. I'm going to be able to get these off this time, but these things are a pain in the ass to get off. And I mean a major pain in the ass. You might get lucky. It might be easy. It's an easy process, but getting them off was terrible. I actually had to go to the dealer and have one of the guys, the Tex guys came out, and he freaking struggled, but got them off. Basically, take a screwdriver. You'll see a little hole here. You pop in there and get a pick, and you got to pull it out, and they'll slide out like that. That's basically it. Let me tell you something. It's not that easy in general. In general, it's pretty hard. And in fact, let's find out if this side. Oh, yeah. See, I guess they've gotten so used to coming out now, they'll actually come out now. But boy, are these things a bitch to pull out, guys. There we go. Out and done. These things suck ass, but not a problem. As you can see, we got it off, no problem. Now, you're gonna need some needle nose pliers. And inside there'll be these 2 clips. And you squeeze like that. And that should release it. Emphasis on should. But me being the moron that I am, I'm wondering if you need to do both sides at the same time. I'm willing to bet you need to do both sides at the same time, which is going to make this very, very difficult to do. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one like that, and we're going to squeeze those like that. And I'm going to sit here and push up on this side like this. Like that. And see if I can at least get it partially out. Nope. All right, it's still going to be a bitch to pull out. So you squeeze them and pull. There we go. Squeeze and pull. Very simple. Squeeze and pull. What I do is recommend when you squeeze, let's see if we can get it on film. You squeeze these things. You'll see these 2 little things, little metal things. They're not showing well on video. Show here and here. When you're squeezing on them, you grab by them and pull it out that way. Don't try to pull it by the handle itself. Now, we're going to pop in the glass holder. Very cool. And it has its own clips and so forth. All right. Sorry, this is not a film. I'm just trying to pull it out and get it ready. And I'm not even gonna, basically, pop the clip in like that, snap. Pop the clip in like that, snap. It's got its own covers. And 50-50 chance, and I put it in backwards. And 50-50 chance, I got it right. They're a little rough to get in as well. And pop this one in. Am I doing it backwards? You know, even if I don't get it in, you guys can figure it out. These things are just a pain in the freaking butt. There you go. In, and there you go, my friends. You have a nice sunglass holder, nice and secure, and it actually looks pretty good. So hang tight, we're gonna get some glasses and see how the glasses fit in it. Okay, we are back. Open up, put your sunglasses in it, and does it work that way? No. Try that way? Yep. Oh, that's funny, it shouldn't be that way. All right, we're gonna try it a different way. We're gonna see how well this works. The sunglasses down in there. And yes, it works very nicely. Yeah, it works very nicely. So we're gonna take you off of here. I'm gonna show you just how good it fits. It looks perfect. It looks like part of the car. And you go underneath, you look over here, it fits very nicely. It almost looks like it's supposed to be an option on the car. This is actually a very nice item. We're going to go around. We're going to look at it from a distance so you can get an idea what it looks like from a distance. That's what it's going to look like in your car. It actually looks pretty freaking cool. And it works. It works well. Got it in all on my own. Getting it out, that's going to be interesting.
Well, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you should get at least something for it. Aside from this absolutely crazy hair. I need a haircut. Yeah, like that's going to happen. I'll probably have to get a buzzer and buzz cut my head. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you find this is one of the accessories that are going to be very useful for many of you. It's not of any use to me because I really don't want it. So, first person who emails me at verdier400@gmail.com, who wants it, who preferably lives within the United States, please. Although shipping to Mexico wasn't so bad, it takes months to get there. Let me know, and it's all yours. Thank you for your loyal viewership. Verdier out.